It's early in the morning and I thought I'd plant some garlic. It's the right time, it's October, and it's pretty easy. All you have to do is loosen up the soil that you have. Even in pots, you can do it in pots. Then you take some compost and you sprinkle it generously. Garlic likes compost. Now I just show you here. So some compost. You rake it in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Rake it in. Then you take your garlic. This is the garlic I grew last year. You just take the bulb and you put it in the soil about that deep. And then you have to consider how big the garlic will grow. So here will be the next bulb once it's big enough. So it needs about so much space in between. Pretty simple. One after the other. See, this is the bottom, this is the top. Just push it in. The bottom, top. Push it in. And that's it. You just let it grow till next June. And you will have healthy garlic. It helps lower cholesterol. It kills bacteria. And you smell good. So give garlic to everybody in the family so everybody smells good. Have fun gardening.